Alrighty, in today's lesson, we're gonna go over how to draw Abuela Alma from Encanto. Encanto's a great movie, so this is another character that I haven't drawn yet. I've drawn pretty much every character. If you wanna know where to see those lessons, go to the description, and there's gonna be a playlist on how to draw every character from Encanto, and that's pretty much how you do it. So this is gonna be easy and for beginners, so let's get started on this lesson. If you wanna learn it, let's jump right into it. Alrighty, let's jump into it. Right now here, I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna pull down here for the nose. Got a bit of her nose hangs down a bit. Pull back. Curve a little bit here for the edge of the nostril, the outside of the nostril. Curve here. Up, up, curve, curve, for the eyes right there, down over here, down over here. All right, and now we're gonna pull a line underneath, right here for underneath the eyes. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a thicker eyelash right here because she has some makeup on. I'm gonna draw a circle right here, curve, circle, circle, circle. And I'm gonna draw a highlight, highlight, and then I'm gonna fill in everything. Because her eyes are pretty dark, and so I kind of want to make that obvious by filling it all in. Line under here, under her eyes, bag under her eyes. You know, she's an old woman. Just is what it is. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna find the side of the face, and it's gonna be a curve over here, like the cheekbone. So it's gonna be over here, out. That's gonna be the peak. And it's gonna pull back in here. Pulling up over here. Line. Line over here. Before I do anything, I want to put the eyebrows on, so I'm really going to do that right off the bat. So I'm going to go right here, up, line up, over here as well, line over here, line over here. I'm not going to fill them in because they're gray, so line over here for the actual hairline. Okay. Gonna find this side of her face, the same shape as that side. Down over here. Down. Over here. In. Curve for the chin. Let's find the mouth, okay? I'm gonna draw a straight line. Down a little bit. Up. A little smile here. Curve line at the top of that because she's pretty thin-lipped. Over here. Line for the right side here of the mouth with a laugh line, and then laugh line on the other side to make her look like an old woman, which she is. Up. Down. Down. Curve underneath. Line over here for her hair back. What I do is I'm going to do basically the large shape for her hair. So curve. Line over here. Line over here. And her hair is going to kind of wrap around a little bit. Just a little bit. All right, that's one side. Gonna go over here on the other side. Curve. Same thing, it's gonna wrap around a little bit. circle for her earring. She's like a couple of things on there, but circle for the other one. You can't really see the ear on that side very much. Line over here. I'm gonna draw a V shape for the collar, and then above the collar, I'm gonna draw these little bumps like this. Boom, 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 boom. This is a stylish shirt. Pulling down, and we can kind of pull it down a little bit longer because she has like a sweater on. Bump over here, out, down, line across. She has a little design right there, and then we can. The designs are very eccentric in the movie, and they're really cool. So, and I'm gonna draw some thin lines here coming from this area, just thin. And they're all gonna flow the same direction, so kind of keep track of that, like over here on this side. They're going to flow a certain direction. Same thing even coming from there, they're flowing over her head there. Line over here for her forehead. And that's pretty much it. That is Abuela. Anyways, thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed that. And yeah, you can't see the ponytail. It's kind of in the back there, so it's gonna go down there. Draw a little bit more of the hair. Thanks so much. Don't forget to hit the like, and I'll talk to you in the next video, and I'll see you soon, all right? Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.